Good evening once again, everyone. Out of the box breaks. We are now doing break 2078, totally certified half case part 2. I'll quickly run through the teams and then we will get breaking. So the Ducks, Zanona. Chatterbox has the Coyotes. Zanona has Boston. Greg B 4658 with Buffalo and Calgary. Animal has Carolina. David Boucher, Chicago. 0923-2003 has Colorado. Animal has the Blue Jackets. Zanona, the Dallas Stars. Logan's dad with Detroit. 0923-2003 with the Oilers and the Panthers. Zanona has the Kings. FHG 2036 the Wild. Reese B7 with Montreal. Cal Green the Predators. Penn Dave with the Devils. Noof 2 the Islanders. Merv 7676 the Rangers. Animal Ottawa. Al 62035 is the Flyers. 0923-2003 has the Penguins and Sharks. Sterils has the Blues and Lightning. Kingpin 81 with the Leafs. Animal the Canucks. Flavalser the Capitals. And 0923-2003 has the Jets. Good luck, guys. Have fun. Enjoy the break. All right, here we go. Some boxes were numbered from that previous break. I believe you guys did with Nabber. Here we go with box number 1. Good luck, enjoy, have fun. I believe SP Authentic is now full as well, guys. And spots are starting to go in that final vault team random. That'll be a fun break. All right, here we go. Pack number 1, break 2078. Start with a rookie for the Jets, Anthony Peluso. You guys can hear me okay? Volume and picture are good? Certified competitors random between Philadelphia and Detroit. Thanks, FHG. We got a rookie blue for Columbus out of 50 of Boone Jenner. Rookie jersey auto for the Buffalo Sabres, Nikita Zadorov. Rookie for the Blues, Dmitry Jaskin. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, rookie roll call jersey, Morgan Riley. .28 out of 100 for the Florida Panthers, red base parallel of Eric Goodbranson. Rookie for Buffalo, Rasmus Ristolainen. For the Calgary Flames, Sven Baertschi auto. And for the Minnesota Wild, very nice. 28 out of 50, rookie roll call patch, Charlie Coyle. Box number 2, break 2078. Rookie for Florida, Michael Caruso. For the Vancouver Canucks, totally certified materials of Chris Tanev. Rookie for Philadelphia, Scott Laughton. Redemption for the Winnipeg Jets. Rookie auto jersey of Anthony Peluso. Rookie for the Jets, Edward Pasquale. For the LA Kings, rookie roll call of Tanner Pearson. Ooh. That was a low blow punch. Holy moly. That Islanders-Panthers game looks nuts. 3 out of 50 for the Nashville Predators. Blue parallel of Shea Weber. Rookie for Montreal, Christian Thomas. For the Vancouver Canucks, rookie auto, Jordan Schrader. Oh, nicer patch. Would have been nice for the Blues. Rookie roll call patch out of 50 of Vladimir Tarasenko. Box number 3 in our half case of Totally Certified. A rookie red parallel Matt Nieto for the Sharks out of 100. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, very nice. 4 out of 5. A clear cloth patch. Joffrey Lupul. Rookie of Michael Jordan for Carolina. For the Edmonton Oilers, rookie jersey auto of Mark Arcabello. For Minnesota, rookie Jonas Brodin. Roman Josi, Totally Certified Materials for Nashville. Final pack box number 3. 2078. 89 out of 100 for the Montreal Canadiens. Red base parallel of Carey Price. Rookie for the Devils, John Merrill. For the Washington Capitals, rookie auto of Cameron Schilling. And for the Boston Bruins, clear cloth out of 100, Louis Eriksson. Box number 4. Rookie for Colorado, Calvin Pickard. Clear cloth out of 100 for the San Jose Sharks of Joe Thornton. Oh, my buddy strikes. Numbered 4 out of 10. A platinum blue of rookie Corey Conacher. Nice hit for Ottawa. Rookie for the Ducks, Victor Fast. For Nashville, Totally Certified Material of Pekka Rinne. Rookie for the Buffalo Sabres, Nikita Zadorov. For the Nashville Predators, rookie jersey auto of Marek Maznik. Final pack box number 4. Rookie for Minnesota, Darcy Kemper. For the Anaheim Ducks, social signature, Sheldon Souray. It is a Ducks hit. Box number 5. Rookie for the Oilers, Nail Yakupov. For Nashville, rookie roll call, Philip Forsberg. Brett Burns. Rookie for Minnesota, Michael Granlund. For the New York Rangers, Totally Certified Materials, Derek Stepan. We got a thickie here. 83 out of 100 for the Boston Bruins. Red base parallel to Garask. Rookie for the Ducks, Hampus Lindholm. Also for the Ducks, rookie auto, Rickard Rakell. For the New Jersey Devils, totally certified prime at a 50 of Anton Volchenkov. Final pack box number 5, break 2078. Danny DeKeyser, rookie blue number 30 out of 50 for Detroit. And rookie jersey auto for the Pittsburgh Penguins of Bo Bennett. 6th and final box, totally certified, break 2078. It's a heavy one. Rookie red, Johan Larsson out of 100 for Buffalo. Ooh, very nice. We got a random between Tampa Bay and Florida. Certified Competitors Prime, Steven Stamkos, Jonathan Huberdeau. Rookie for Montreal, Alex Galchenyuk. And a platinum red rookie jersey auto for the Winnipeg Jets of Eddie Pasquale. Number 11 out of 25. And now we got 2 thickies here. Ooh, very nice for the St. Louis Blues. Numbered 16 out of 25. Red Platinum Rookie Parallel, Vladimir Tarasenko. Rookie for the Jets, Jacob Trouba. For the Minnesota Wild, rookie roll call of Charlie Coyle. And numbered 5 out of 5 for the New York Rangers, JT Miller, Platinum Gold Patch Auto. Nice hit for New York. And final pack to wrap it up for break 2078, totally certified half case. Number 31 out of 50, we got a Sergei Bobrovsky for Columbus Blue Base Parallel. For the Islanders, a Brock Nelson, rookie. For the Buffalo Sabres, a rookie jersey auto of Mikhail Grigorenko. And for the Dallas Stars, very nice. That box is amazing. 7 out of 10, a rookie clear cloth patch of Valery Nikushkin. Green patch with a seam. I don't know if you guys can see the seam on. But a nice box there. There you have it, guys. There's our half case of totally certified. I got 2 randoms to set up here. Just give me a couple minutes to set those up. Have a good one, Pen Dave. All right, our 2 randoms for break 2078. So Flyers and Red Wings. Certified competitors John LeClair, Brendan Shanahan. 4 times top one will receive the card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Goes to Detroit. And the nice looking certified competitors out of 50 of Stamkos and Huberto. 4 times top one receives the card. 1, 2, 3, 4. That goes the owner of the Florida Panthers, and that wraps it up, guys. Break 2078. Hope you guys enjoyed that half case of Totally Certified.